Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy tomato garlic soup at home. This comforting dish is perfect for any time of year. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need fresh, ripe tomatoes or a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, along with garlic, onion, and vegetable broth. Don't forget olive oil, basil, oregano, and some basic seasonings. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by heating about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Once warm, add 1 medium chopped onion and 6 cloves of minced garlic. Sauté these aromatics gently, stirring occasionally until the onion becomes soft and translucent. This usually takes around 5 to 7 minutes, and it will fill your kitchen with a wonderful aroma. Next, it's time to build the soup's rich flavor. Pour in your 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes and 4 cups of vegetable broth. Stir in 1 teaspoon each of dried basil and dried oregano. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it cook for about 20 minutes. This allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Finally, let's finish our delicious soup. Carefully use an immersion blender to blend the soup directly in the pot until it reaches your preferred consistency, or transfer it to a regular blender in batches. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Serve hot, perhaps with a garnish of fresh basil leaves or a swirl of rich cream. Enjoy your homemade tomato garlic soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.